Okay, newest addition to the inventory is a 2008 Toyota Rav4 base model, 2.4 automatic, 4-wheel drive, 189,000 miles. Got a bad motor in it. Body's in decent shape. Okay, hood's got a little wavy in the front there. You got a good grill, good bumper, good headlights, good fenders. Okay, doors got a little bit of action in them, probably like an hour cleanup on each of the doors. There's your right front door, power window, power locks, right rear door, power window, power locks, privacy tint. Right side quarter, good shape. Got a little bit of rust starting. Bubble rust right in the well. Matter of fact, let me show it to you. Okay, there it is. Alright. Got a right rear quarter glass, privacy tint. You got the roof rack all black with the rails, cross bars. Okay, left and right rear suspensions. Disc brake. All-wheel drive. Axles are good. Drive shaft's good. Gotta double check the hanging bearing. Okay. Pardon the camera. Underneath the hood, there's your 2.4 motor. It's no good. It's parts only. So I got all the parts on the motor. Everything is there. There's your radiator bottle, your washer bottle, your right side fuse box. You got a left side fuse box. There's your computer. Okay, there's the air cleaner, airflow meter, master booster. Okay, wiper arms, cowl screen, radiation, alternator starter, AC compressor. He's got the electronic power steering. Okay, here's the left side of the car. There's your left side fender in good shape. There's your left front door, power window, power locks. There's your left rear door. They have it sold. I had put it in as parts, but whatever. Left rear quarter is no good. Left rear tail light is no good. Okay, you got a good rear gate. Okay, it's got the spoiler on top, third brake lights there, privacy tint, heat wiper, all that there. There's your tire carrier built in. Rear bumper cover is no good. You got a reinforcement, hopefully with the pad. There's your trailer hitch assembly, of course, like everything else. No receiver, pardon me, a little stutter in there. Okay, here's your rear seat. None of the seats made it. They got cigarette burns and stains and all that kind of nonsense. Okay, left and right front the seat tracks are good. They're manual buckets, which you'll see right now. Okay, let's alright. Here we don't hear no beeping. It's your manufacturer sticker. Okay. Give it a minute there to get crazy. It is crazy. There it goes. Okay. Color code to the car is 6T6, like a greenish. Interior is gray cloth, FC10. There's your window switches. Okay, again, yep, there we go. Okay, let's go to the inside of the car here. And we'll see a couple of dinks. Give me a second to mosey on in. Here we go. Okay, there's your automatic shifter. Mirror controls in the console. Steering column is tilt cruise delay. Okay. Alright, there's your cost of $189,229. Tack trip gauges. It's got ABS, tire pressure monitor systems in there, VSC. Okay, manual heater controls. There's your clock, digital. Here's your radio, AM, FM, CD, MP3, WMA. The code on the radio is 11811. 11811. Okay, works fine, no problem. Steering column, tilt cruise delay, tilt telescopic. Cruise delay. Here's the key down here, over there. Okay, rear wiper, all that. Windshield at this point is good, but we'll see when it comes down to getting it out. Really, that's it. So again, on this here Joker, it is a 2008 Toyota Rav4 base model, 2.4 automatic, 4x4. Bad motor. A little bit of damage to the body. Left rear door, left rear quarter, tail light, rear bumper, all damaged. Okay. Along with the motor being bad. Okay, basically that's it. A couple of dings, dangs, booms in the doors. And that's pretty much it. If you need any parts of this, you give us a call at 888-748-5924. Ask for Mo, Larry, or Curly. Anyone else who will help you with parts off of this or anything else you may need. Our business hours here is Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 8 to 1. You can give us during business hours. You can get us on the internet 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 at allamericanautorecords.com. Well, we're done with this joker. We're caught up so far until Meathead inside decides to buy more cars. All right, take care. Ciao. Gotta go. Bye.